The wait is finally over. Canon fans, get ready, because the Canon EOS R6 Mark III is officially here, and it's bringing some absolutely mind-blowing upgrades. After months of leaks, rumors, and insider reports, we finally have the full picture. From its brand new 30-megapixel stacked sensor to AI-powered autofocus and 6K cinematic video recording. This isn't just an upgrade. This could be Canon's most complete and powerful hybrid mirrorless camera yet. If you're a creator, filmmaker, or photographer who's been waiting for a camera that can do it all, this might just be the one. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. In today's video, we're breaking down everything you need to know about the Canon R6 Mark III, its confirmed specs, major performance boosts, design changes, pricing, and yes, the official release window you've all been waiting for. So grab your coffee, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive straight into what makes the Canon R6 Mark III one of the most exciting mirrorless cameras of 2025. The mirrorless camera world is once again buzzing with excitement. And this time, it's all about Canon's next big release, the Canon EOS R6 Mark III. After months of speculation, leaks, and insider reports, we finally have what appear to be the most complete details yet about Canon's long-awaited successor to the highly popular R6 Mark II. And if these new specs and details are accurate, the R6 Mark III could be one of the most balanced, versatile, and performance-driven full-frame cameras Canon has ever produced. Designed for hybrid shooters who demand both professional-grade stills and cinematic video capabilities, this camera looks like it's going to redefine what mid-range mirrorless cameras can do in 2025 and beyond. According to multiple reliable sources, the Canon R6 Mark III will feature a new 30.1-megapixel full-frame stacked BSI CMOS sensor, powered by the next-generation Digic X Plus image processor, delivering superior image quality, improved low-light performance, and dramatically faster readout speeds. This combination allows for burst shooting up to 40 frames per second with the electronic shutter and 20 frames per second with the mechanical shutter, giving sports, wildlife, and event photographers unmatched speed and responsiveness. Canon has reportedly focused on reducing rolling shutter distortion while enhancing color accuracy, tonal depth, and dynamic range, areas where the R6 Mark II already performed well but now reach new professional heights. The autofocus system is said to be another major leap forward. Borrowing technology from Canon's flagship EOS R3 and R1 development programs, the R6 Mark III will feature an AI-enhanced dual-pixel CMOS AF3 system with over 1,200 focus points and real-time subject detection for humans, animals, birds, vehicles, and even aircraft. Thanks to machine learning improvements, eye and face detection are faster and more reliable than ever, even in extreme low-light environments down to -8 electron volts. This ensures tack-sharp focus no matter how challenging the shooting conditions. When it comes to video performance, the Canon R6 Mark III appears to be a true hybrid powerhouse. Early information indicates support for 6K video recording at 60 frames per second using the full sensor readout, along with 4K 120 frames per second slow-motion recording and 10-bit 4:2:2 internal capture using Canon Log 3, HDR-PQ, and Cinema Raw Light. For professionals, the camera will reportedly offer 16-bit RAW output via HDMI, making it an ideal choice for filmmakers and content creators who need cinematic-grade color flexibility in post-production.